Hi students, good morning. Hearty welcome to online class. Now I am going to explain Unit 1 Number System Exercise 2.2 Question number 4. A completed a job in 3 by 5 hour, whereas B completed the same job in 7 by 10 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? I repeat the question. A completed a job in 3 by 5 hour, whereas B completed the same job in 7 by 10 hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? Okay. Hint. By cross multiplication, we have 3 into 10 equal to 30 and 5 into 7 equal to 35. Since 30 less than 35, listen, 3 by 5, 7 by 10 or 7 by 10 greater than 3 by 5. Thus B worked longer. Difference equal to 7 by 10 minus 3 by 5 equal to 7 into 1 minus 3 into 2 divided by 10. Okay. Solution. A completed a job equal to 3 by 5 hour. B completed the job equal to 7 by 10 hour. Okay, listen, 3 by 5 into 7 by 10. Cross multiplying, okay. 3 into 10 equal to 30. 7 into 5 equal to 35. Okay, 30 less than 35. 7 by 10 greater than 3 by 5. Okay, listen, 7 by 10 minus 3 by 5. Okay, difference. Listen, LCM of 10 comma 5 is 10. Okay, listen, here both numerator and denominator multiplying 1. Okay, 7 into 10. Listen, 7 divided by 10. Both numerator and denominator multiplying 1 equal to 1 7s are 7 divided by 1 10s are 10. Okay. Next, 3 divided by 5. Both numerator and denominator multiplying 10. 3 2s are 6 divided by 5 2s are 10. Okay. 7 minus 6 divided by 10 equal to 1 by 10. B worked longer and he took 1 by 10 hour more than A. Answer is B worked longer and he took 1 by 10 hour more than A. Question number 5. A piece of a rope 10 meter long is cut into 3 pieces. If the length of 2 pieces is 4 into 1 by 2 meter and 3 into 1 by 5 meter respectively, find the length of the third piece. Okay, I repeat the question. A piece of rope 10 meter long is cut into 3 pieces. Okay. If the length of 2 pieces is 4 into 1 by 2 meter and 3 into 1 by 5 meter respectively, find the length of the third piece. Okay. Length of the rope equal to 10 meter. Length of one piece equal to 4 into 1 by 2 meter. Okay. Length of second piece equal to 3 into 1 by 5 meter. We are going to find out length of the third piece. Okay, listen. 9 by 2 plus 16 divided by 5. LCM of 2 comma 5 is 10. Okay, 9 by 2 equal to both numerator and denominator multiplying 5. 9 5s are 45 divided by 5 2s are 10. 16, listen, 16 2s are 32 divided by 5 2s are 10. 45 plus 32 divided by 10 equal to 77 divided by 10. Length of the rope equal to 10 meter. Okay. So 10 minus 77 divided by 10. Cross multiplying 10. 100 minus 77 divided by 10 equal to 23 divided by 10. Listen, this is fraction. Fraction convert into mixed fraction. Okay. 2 into 3 by 10 meter. Length of third piece equal to 2 into 3 by 10 meter. Answer is length of the third piece 2 into 3 by 10 meter. Question number 6. What should be added to 12 into 2 by 15 to get 18 into 2, 18 into 9 by 25. I repeat the question. What should be added to 12 into 2 by 15 to get 18 into 9 by 25? Solution. Let x be added from 12 into 2 by 15 to get 18 into 9 by 25. Okay. Listen. Mixed fraction convert into fraction. Okay. 12 into 15 equal to 180. Okay. 180 plus 2. 182 divided by 15 plus x equal to, listen, 18 into 25. Okay. 450 plus 9 equal to 459 divided by 25. Listen, x equal to 459 divided by 25 plus 182 divided by 15, going to right hand side change minus. Okay. Minus 182 divided by 15. Taking LCM of 25, 15 equal to 75. Okay. Listen, both numerator and denominator multiplying 3. 459 into 3 equal to 1377 divided by 25 3s are 75. Minus 182 into 5 equal to 910 divided by 15 5s are 75. Okay. 1377 minus 910 equal to 467 divided by 75 equal to 6 into 17 divided by 75. Answer is 60. Answer is 6 into 17 divided by 75. Question number 7. What should be subtracted from 13 into 3 by 16 to get 3 into 37 by 48? I repeat the question. What should be subtracted from 13 into 3 by 16 to get 3 into 37 by 48? Solution. Let x be subtracted from 13 into 3 by 16. Listen. Subtracted from 13 into 3 by 16 to get 3 into 37 by 48. Listen. 13 into 3 by 16 minus x equal to 3 into 37 by 48. Okay. Mixed fraction convert into fraction. 211 by 16 minus x equal to 181 divided by 48. Okay. 211 by 16 minus 181 divided by 48 equal to x. Okay. X equal to 211 by 16 minus 181 by 48. X equal to, listen, LCM of 16, 48 equal to 48. Okay. Listen, here multiplying both numerator and denominator 3. 211 into 3, 633 divided by 16 3s are 48. Minus here multiplying both numerator and denominator multiplying 1. Okay. 181s are 181 divided by 41 ones are 48. Sorry, 48 ones are 48. Okay. 633 minus 181 divided by 48. Okay. 452 divided by 48. Listen. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Remaining one 6 2s are 12. 226 divided by 24. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. 113 divided by 12. Okay. Listen, 9 into 5 divided by 12. Answer is 9 into 5 divided by 12. Students, homework for this day. Checkpoint. Question number 2 and 4. Solve this problem in your homework note. Thank you, students.